How to delete all your emo downloads. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your emo downloads on your phone. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your emo application. Once you are here, click on your profile up there. Now click on settings and you have the option number 4, which is storage and data. Click on it. You have manage storage, tap there. Now you have the last option, which is media and file on chats. You have you can click on clear to delete photos, videos, and find you downloaded from chats to free up space. Click on clear and they're gonna ask you, are you sure you want to clear chats media? Clear. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.